Hey guys, okay, so I'm going to be showing you a room tour of the Hilton Cancun. We're staying in Suite 6168, and here are the bracelets they give you when you check in, and you simply use it like that. Sorry guys, I didn't catch me scanning my bracelet. So I will give you a heads up, the windows may be a little foggy because we have our balcony door open. So here is the bathroom. So as you can see out into the room from the bathroom, but the actual shower, you cannot see inside because the glass is not the same. It has some kind of a film over it to give you privacy. So you have a separate toilet area, which is nice. And the bathroom is really large. Oh, let me just show you the toiletries that they have. So this was the brand that was in here for us. Okay. So, very nice, very spacious. Here's the closet area with the safe, iron, some more areas for you to store your clothes. There is an espresso machine. There were some snacks here, but my kids ate some of them. And also a stocked mini fridge, which is nice when you are just arriving. So we have 2 queen beds, and here's my cocktail. That's not included in the room, guys, but they definitely hooked us up at the bar. My husband was taking care of drinks while I was checking us in. Flat screen, of course. So as you can see, the room is very nice and very spacious for families. And we were upgraded to an ocean view. Here's the family. Say hi, family.
Hi, family.
This is Catherine.
Hi.
Anthony.
Right now.
And Anthony. So, 2 Anthonys. They're enjoying the ocean view. You can see we have a view of the pool area for the kids. Then they have not an adult pool, but I think it's the chill pool. So it's really nice, and then the ocean is right there. We'll do some more footage later, but just wanted to give you an idea of what an ocean view may look like for you. This is just a standard ocean view, 2 queen beds. Enjoy.